delighted to be working with Gem and using their fabulous products to bring you delicious recipes over the next few weeks. The first of these recipes is this gorgeous chicken, vegetable and red lentil casserole, a really hearty, perfect for winter dish, really delicious and really bulks up your ingredients, which is great. You can feed many. Some of the products that I've used in this recipe is their plain flour, and that is for the pastry top, and the corn flour that was used to thicken the sauce, a really handy one to have in your cupboard, and of course the red lentils, which are really good in stews and casseroles. So I hope you enjoy this recipe demo. Let's get started. Starting off, we're going to make the pastry first with the Gem plain flour into a large bowl with some salt, a little butter. Combine that well until it resembles breadcrumbs, and next whisk an egg and in it goes. Use your hands to combine that well and gradually add the water a little at a time until it all comes together into a pastry ball just like this. Now I'm going to wrap this in cling film and pop that into the fridge while we make the filling. Into a pan with some butter and olive oil, I'm browning off the chicken and the bacon, and then into the same pan. Once that's set aside, I'm adding all the vegetable ingredients, get them softened, return the meat back into the pan with the fresh herbs, and using the corn flour, this will help thicken the sauce. A squeeze of lemon if you have it, and next in is your lentils, followed by a little wine. This is optional. Onto the heat to reduce that wine, and then followed by your stock, a bay leaf if you have it, and get that on a simmer for about 20 minutes until those lentils have softened. Now our pastry, I'm going to roll this between 2 sheets of parchment paper. This gets it really nice and thin. I've popped the filling into a dish, adding a little strip to the edges and brushing that with a little egg wash. On goes the topping. Pierce that with a fork and trim the edges. This is absolutely perfect. Be sure to make a few little piercings into the center. I'm sprinkling this with some sesame seeds, not essential if you don't have them, and into your oven for 20 minutes. This is so delicious, so filling. Be sure to give this one a go. So there you go. This is comfort on a plate, a gorgeous dish to make, so quick and easy. The whole family will absolutely love it. Be sure to pick up the Gem products the next time you pop to your local supermarket. The plain flour was used for the pastry top. The corn flour is great to thicken up a sauce. And of course, those red lentils are fantastic in stews and casseroles. I've actually popped mine into a little container, so I have them in the cupboard, always handy. I hope you've enjoyed this video demo. Be sure to let me know if you give the recipe a go, and have a great day.